So it's been almost 6 months since the launch of Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro. So to no surprise, Realme is going to launch the successors very soon. The Realme 7 and Realme 7 Pro are launching next month in the Indian market, and the company has already started teasing the two devices. Well, today we got to know the major specifications of both the phones that were shared by Mukul aka StuffListings on Twitter. He also shared a couple of images showing the banners of the two phones, and these images confirm the design from the back. As we are talking about the design, Realme recently shared images showing the various designs from which the company selected one for its Realme 7 series. Among all these designs, we can see the design of the Realme 7 Pro. And if that was not enough, Realme gave us a look at the design once again in the company's recent YouTube video. So when it comes to the design, the only thing that is left to know is how the phones look like from the front. Now coming to the specifications, the Realme 7 is coming with the same 90Hz LCD display and a side-facing fingerprint scanner as the Realme 6, but it has the MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, which is faster than the Helio G90T of Realme 6. Also, there is now a bigger 5000 mAh battery compared to the 4300 mAh battery of the Realme 6. The charging speed, however, remains the same, that is 30 watt. There is a quad camera setup on the back that includes a primary 64 megapixel camera. The Realme 7 Pro is coming with an Amoled screen and 60Hz refresh rate. Now, there might not be a high refresh rate display, but there is an AMOLED screen this time, which is definitely a big upgrade from the LCD panel of Realme 6 Pro. Since there is an AMOLED screen, there is an in-display fingerprint scanner as well. Another huge upgrade comes in the form of charging speed. Compared to the 30-watt charging of the Realme 6 Pro, the Realme 7 Pro is coming with 65-watt fast charging, which means it will be the fastest charging smartphone under Rs 25,000 when it launches. The battery is also slightly bigger at 4500 mAh compared to the 4300 mAh battery of Realme 6 Pro. Interestingly, even with all these upgrades over the Realme 6 Pro, the chipset is most probably the same, that is Snapdragon 720G. Now, some sources have also suggested the Snapdragon 730G chipset, so nothing can be said about the chipset yet. Both the phones are expected to launch with 8GB RAM variants. There is no information regarding the pricing yet, but looking at the prices of Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro currently in India, we can expect the Realme 7 to start at around Rs 16,000 and Realme 7 Pro at around Rs 20,000. So, what do you think the price of Realme 7 and Realme 7 Pro should be in India? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.